guys, atong kuyog si Irish, si Michelle, si Ayin, ug si Papa kay hadlok siya pag malunod na siya ra.
May nang daghan.
May nang daghan ko no.
Paglangoy.
Kay mahotnan mi or magubal mi makina na ay maka-text ug makatawag sa atong pamilya.
Tay ko tawag na pa sana.
Mo tawag ka.
Pero basa ng cellphone. Oh, mao na niya among pukot nga kusgan. Walay gisi. This is our fishing net in the fishing. In the water is all over in the world. Ang among isda diri guys, ang kinaon sa mga isda diri guys, mga hugkal, sipon, tae,
Pirang tae.
munang mga healthy. Healthy kining isda sa mga guys, fresh.
Fresh from the...
Look at that guys! Look at that! Look at that! My goodness, it's over all.
Yeah, it's very big.
The crab is green,
Yes.
blue.
Blow.
It's double sizes.
And the sizes is very amazingable. Inanirag na siya mamay mo guys, dili siya pwedeng tarong na magbira sa karon kay lisod yun siya kay wala lang, madugay na pod.
Ito una, nakadakop may sirena.
Ito na agi guys, nakadakop ni Serena. Karon,
Ay, abangan ninyo ang mga sirena naman nakuha. Nagawa pa kaya.
katawanan jud guys, katawanan jud. So guys, nasugdan na ng crabs ng blue. Saan tong blue nga crabs? Blue nga crabs guys.
Ang crabs.
Oh my God, crab!
Wow, mahal kayo na guys, mahal pa sa inyo ha.
Yeah.
Pana 200 kapin.
Oh,
Ala! Napod. Oh my God, it's blue. It's green color. Next is violet.
Ikaw nagsilpo na.
Look at that. Look at the Philippines.
Look at that, it's so very beautiful dish. Everything.
And the world is very round.
My goodness guys, because last night. Hello guys, ayun di ayun ang haggard sa guba. Si Michelle. Tinagapan og singer. Singer niya bag papa.
Bukot guys, lata na dyan. Ako di.
So atong kuha guys, tangkig. Apil na sa ato ang kuan. Naisubak.
Papa, bay labay.
Hatag ka Michelle pa.
Snake.
Ah, gilabay ra guys. Kaya wala man gunay mga pulos ng mga snake.
Lala, si Snake mo tawag.
Wala man gunay mga pulos ng mga kabit yun, no? Para nato, no? Itong palayaw guys, tora oy, paklaro na ko ang asa dapit tama nato ang o pangitaaran niya diha kadi man maklaro diri. Toro. Dara kanang gamay naman nato ang tumoy. Gahi pa? Sangit? Sige, isda na. There's something in the water, guys, that is so hard. And it's good, oh, there's still left. Sige, nakabuhi man ang dako kay inid, guys. But guys, nylon. Taga na kay gisi mo ang pukot. Mas lata lagi na kay pa. Kay dali lagi kay nalata pili pa man katuig.
Ato na yung nagdaan sa ba?
Ba?
Bilang kau dai. Timon.
Biramin.
Mang guys.
Guys, wala namin kuha guys. Tulurag og kabuok nga kasag. Baso na Serena makuha na guys. Patimbang na to apil. Pacific Ocean and Pacific
Ocean is. Bursag suka.
Wa na gud tay kuha ni. Nang violet na mi.
Uy,
Nala guys,
Wow! That's amazing na ball. That is violet.
orange.
Dili pa na siya color
Orange. Uy,
Wow! Amazing!
another one.
Look,
Another one.
look,
Look at that
look,
wonderful,
look.
beautiful
Look.
daily. Yalla.
Ako na pod. Guys, magkakaon na may rice ani guys.
It's kind of heavy right now because of the pressure of the wind.
Pressure of
Because
the
the
wind?
pressure of the ocean's roar.
What are you thinking?
Music to the soul.
There's no wind today.
Yeah, what I mean is like the
No.
Ikaw pa.
So guys, ato nang biraon. Si ako na po, si Valentina ni. Si Valentina. Wow guys! Ayan!
Hala, makabuhi.
Ma'am, ano ka boy? So guys, we have here.
Krabby.
Ba, tabangin ko.
Layay.
So we got this.
Gani ko mo kung saan yun. Dahil mo.
Astin, lingon din siya. Lingon siya. So guys, this is a violet crabs.
No, it's an orange. You can't read the color.
Ano sa man eh? It's very heavy. Live off this coral.
It's not funny at all.
It's your jamin.
Parado. Wagi pala, wagi.
Ay, wala na ipalan.
Papa, video ako gadget nang.
Oh my god.
Look at that fish.
Wow, guys, I'm so sweaty.
Zerty. Kay lubog man
I'm
dito
so
pita
sweaty.
oh.
This is my cousin. This is my cousin. Matagal ko. This is my cousin, guys. But we need to, because we need to get this one because we need to eat.
We need to eat the rice here.
We need to eat rice today.
Because if we don't eat the rice, we're gonna slim.
You need to have a strong muscles and a fat belly to
get through
balance
this one.
to balancing the
The gravity.
the gravity. So guys, we're waiting for the night. We catch Serena. Yeah. That is the food of our fish here, guys. That's why it's so healthy if you buy and if you eat
Nailon
fish here in the Philippines.
Nailon mo yung ipal ko, nailon.
It's full of booger.
This is full of sugar, full of
Booger.
salt, full of
Booger.
recipe because we feed it. We feed them
Together.
with our own waste. So, continue. Wow, guys, this is the way pulos, guys, like me. Yeah,
Yun na.
yes. So, that's it.
Uy, nanay pulos ay makaon di ana.
Naanay pulos, guys. Kasan. Yeah.
So we need to sit.
Wow, guys, this is my
Oh, it looks
uncle.
like
This is my uncle, guys. It's so yummy. Asan ka ako masilingan din mga chismos? Agoy, nawala na. Agoy! We're done. So guys, this is our... So we need to get this
Rope.
rupee. The wind is falling down. Charo, hindi ni maka kuha nga. Sik, tayo na ay.
Why is
The
the
Philippines is going around.
Why
Long
is
day. Crab, guys, because
it's very tight?
yeah,
Ano mo paa?
very tight. I can't.
Ano mo paa pa?
I think I can't handle it.
Kuya, managi akong ginabuhat eh.
That's why it will be ripped.
Ano ka maulo?
Guys, maura na mong kuha, guys. Murag 5 ka bukasag.
Limang unom.
But this is expensive than your life.
Yeah.
Kikabit na kabit yun siya, guys. Huwag kang kumapit.
Yung sa mong gibidyohan. Useless.
Simpleng isda, day. Tapos ito.
Napa?
Gabutan dyan. Ayun, nawagin po ko.
Wala na pa?
Kura.
Iris is so amazing. Oh,
Excuse me.
my uncle. Wow!
Hala, ni Papa napaalakan sa kamo.
Pakita
Pakita sa
dugo
video,
pa.
pakita sa video. Ito to.
Ah, yeah.
Oh, kaloy.
Wait ko tong.
Doon.
Natunog. Natunog na paakan.
Ay, banana.
Nga na mga tao na, sige ra kara sa ito na. Bisig
Ya, video diri.
bisig na nag-aaway sa dalan.
Mira.
Okay,